Okay, so this video is going to give you instructions on how to take this this records database from Fairfax County governments on code violation houses and how to turn that into a spreadsheet database that we can use. Okay, so as you can see here on the screen, this is a PDF file. Okay, so it's a letter with some entries on the form, and there's a database. Okay, now this is good information, but unfortunately it's in a format we can't use. Okay, we really need it to be in an actual spreadsheet. Now, so I'm going to show you what to do here, and this is very intuitive, very simple. I'm sure just by looking at it you already know what needs to be done, but I'm going to show you anyways. Okay, so we're going to open our spreadsheet here, and I've actually already filled in the first line previously, but just to kind of give you a quick rundown, over here on our PDF file, obviously the most important thing here is this address. Okay, so we want to copy the address, and I threw it in here, address. Okay, and we want to know the problem code. Right here it shows, over here it shows problem. Over here is a problem code. We want to copy that and just stick it here. So you might have noticed there's state, city, state, and zip code that I've added into the spreadsheet that is not on here. That's something that we're going to have to find. Okay, that will be the second step. Okay, so let me get through the first step here. As you can see, this doesn't include all that, so we would need to find that in the second step. It's a little bit confusing, I know, but it's pretty straightforward once we get through this. Okay, so we put down the problem code. Next is AP attached. I'm not too sure what that is right now, but we're going to go ahead and do that. It's either a Y or a N. It's either yes or no. To be honest, I'm not really sure what that is, but it's very simple to put in. So yes. And the next thing we need is problem dates. Okay, we don't need the time, just the date's fine. Have the date over here. Now, oh, one more thing over here, priority. So this one is blank, and if you go down, a lot of them will show medium, and to be honest, I think all of them say medium. So in future tasks, if any of these say high priority or anything like that, please mark that. For this one, all of them say medium or just have nothing, so we're not going to put it in the spreadsheet. I know they're all about the same. Okay, so next part after we've copied this information into our spreadsheet is we want to find the city and state, and the easiest way is literally just copying the address here, opening our browser, and pasting it. Okay, pasting it, and it will show the address right over here. Okay, this wasn't the original record we were looking at. We're looking at this one, so let's search for this one, Little Ox Road. Oops. Let me do this in here. All right, hopefully you can see this in the screen share. So I typed in the address in the browser here, and it comes out with the city, state, and zip code. Okay, so Fairfax Station is the city, Fairfax Station here. I'm also going to copy the zip code, and the state is VA, Virginia, right? So I'll just type in VA and I'll paste in zip code here. Now, once we get all the full address figured out for the entire list, we're going to move on to step 3, which is finding the phone number and the owner of this property. Okay, and very similar. We're going to use a website here. We're going to use sorry, let me get this thing out of my screen share. It's in my way. Okay, so we're going to use Yellow Pages. It's a free resource online. Not the most updated and best information, but for something that's free, let's use this to its fullest extent. Okay. Yeah, so all we do is hold on, I think I skipped over a few steps. I just started talking. So this is the main page of yellowpages.com. What I did was I clicked on find people over here. Okay, and we go to this page and we can find it by name, but we don't have the name yet, right? So we're going to search by address. All right, we're going to paste in the address. Oops, that's the zip code, I'm sorry. The address is this right here. Okay, and the city was, if you recall, Fairfax Station, right? This should pop up. Hit search, and sometimes we get lucky. Sometimes it'll show the owner. You can confirm the address, and it'll give a full phone number. That's exactly what we want, okay? So we'll type in first name, last name, phone number. And there we have it, okay? So the whole purpose of this list is so we have a database of their full information, okay? We know their name, we know their phone number. Now we can actually call them and find out, hey, what's going on with these people, right? They got a code violation from the county, from the government. A lot of times they are in some sort of distress, and this is an early sign of distress where an investor such as myself will come in and purchase the property, and that may solve their problems. Okay, so ultimately that's what we're doing. For the sake of this assignment, let me know if there's any questions. If you have any, please let me know. I'll try to answer them as quick as possible, and get you on the same page. And thanks again for the work, and we'll talk soon. Bye.